The Aquatic Escapades of Ethan and Eleanor. Chapter 6. Exploring uncharted territories, venturing into uncharted waters, embracing the unknown. As Ethan and Eleanor steered Regina Maris towards uncharted waters, a palpable sense of anticipation mingled with trepidation filled the air. They were about to embark on a journey beyond the familiar, where the sea held both boundless possibilities and unforeseen perils. The vast expanse of the unknown beckoned them forward, promising adventures that would challenge their limits and redefine their understanding of the world. With each nautical mile they sailed, they felt a growing connection to the untamed spirit of the sea, a force that both humbled and exhilarated them. The allure of the unexplored was irresistible. They eagerly scanned the horizon, their hearts pounding with excitement as they imagined the wonders that awaited them. They dreamed of discovering hidden islands, encountering ancient civilizations, and unraveling the mysteries of long-lost shipwrecks. Yet, they were also acutely aware of the risks involved in venturing into unfamiliar waters. The sea was a fickle mistress, capable of unleashing its fury in an instant. Unpredictable storms, treacherous currents, and hidden reefs lay in wait, presenting formidable challenges to even the most seasoned mariners. But Ethan and Eleanor refused to be deterred by fear. They had faith in their skills, their vessel, and the unwavering support of their loyal crew. Together, they were determined to navigate the uncharted waters with courage, resilience, and an unwavering thirst for adventure. As they sailed deeper into the unknown, they encountered unexpected beauty and wonder. They witnessed breathtaking sunsets that painted the sky in hues of gold and crimson, and marveled at the sight of bioluminescent plankton illuminating the ocean's depths like a celestial tapestry. They also discovered a profound sense of connection to the natural world. The vastness of the ocean humbled them, reminding them of their place in the intricate web of life. They encountered majestic whales, playful dolphins, and sea turtles, all thriving in their marine habitat. Venturing into uncharted waters was not only a physical journey but also a transformative experience for Ethan and Eleanor. It tested their limits, expanded their horizons, and deepened their appreciation for the beauty and mystery of the world. Chapter 6. Exploring uncharted territories, discovering unseen islands, setting foot on untouched shores. In the realm of untouched beauty, Ethan and Eleanor steered Regina Maris towards unseen islands, their hearts pounding with anticipation. These isolated paradises, far removed from the bustle of civilization, held the promise of pristine beaches, lush rainforests, and encounters with indigenous cultures. As they approached the shores of these uncharted lands, a sense of awe washed over them. The islands emerged from the sea like emeralds set in sapphire, their verdant slopes cascading down to meet the crystal-clear waters. With each step they took onto these untouched shores, they felt like pioneers embarking on a journey through time. The islands unveiled a symphony of natural wonders. They marveled at towering waterfalls cascading into tranquil pools, lush forests teeming with exotic flora and fauna, and secluded coves where sea turtles basked in the sun. The air was alive with the sounds of tropical birdsong, the gentle rustling of leaves, and the rhythmic crash of waves against the shore. They encountered hidden lagoons where bioluminescent plankton illuminated the waters, creating a magical spectacle under the starlit sky. They explored ancient caves adorned with intricate rock formations and discovered hidden chambers that whispered tales of long-forgotten civilizations. Their interactions with the indigenous people of these islands were equally enriching. They learned about ancient traditions, customs, and beliefs, gaining a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all life. These encounters fostered a sense of global community and reminded them of the importance of preserving cultural diversity. Their explorations of unseen islands were not without challenges. They encountered treacherous terrain, unpredictable weather patterns, and moments of isolation. Yet, these obstacles only strengthened their bond and deepened their appreciation for the resilience of the human spirit. Through their daring adventures on untouched shores, Ethan and Eleanor discovered a profound connection to the natural world and a renewed sense of wonder for the unexplored corners of the globe. Their experiences served as a reminder that the spirit of discovery is alive and well, awaiting those who dare to venture beyond the boundaries of the known. Chapter 6: Exploring Uncharted Territories, Encountering Indigenous Tribes, Learning from Ancient Wisdom. As Regina Maris ventured into uncharted waters, Ethan and Eleanor found themselves surrounded by vibrant and diverse indigenous cultures. In remote villages nestled amidst lush rainforests, they met tribes who lived in harmony with nature, their traditions deeply rooted in ancestral knowledge. These encounters were not just cultural exchanges, they were journeys into the depths of human history, where Ethan and Eleanor learned about ancient healing practices, intricate weaving techniques, and sustainable farming methods. One particularly memorable encounter occurred on a secluded island inhabited by the Arui people. The Arui had developed a unique form of navigation based on the stars and the currents, enabling them to traverse vast distances across the ocean. Ethan and Eleanor spent days learning from the Arui elders, gaining insights into the intricate dance of celestial bodies and the subtle rhythms of the sea. In another instance, they stumbled upon a tribe living in harmony with a pod of dolphins. The tribe had developed a deep understanding of dolphin communication, and they worked together to protect the marine ecosystem. Ethan and Eleanor were amazed by the symbiotic relationship between the tribe and the dolphins, witnessing firsthand the power of interspecies cooperation. As they continued their voyage, they encountered indigenous tribes who had preserved ancient healing practices. From herbal remedies to spiritual rituals, Ethan and Eleanor learned about the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit. These encounters deepened their understanding of holistic health and well-being, inspiring them to incorporate these practices into their own lives. Beyond cultural exchange, these encounters with indigenous tribes ignited a profound sense of respect and humility within Ethan and Eleanor. They realized that there was much to learn from those who had lived in harmony with the natural world for centuries. They returned to Regina Maris with a renewed appreciation for the wisdom and resilience of indigenous peoples, determined to amplify their voices and advocate for their rights. Through these encounters, Ethan and Eleanor discovered that the greatest treasures of their voyage were not the exotic destinations or the thrilling adventures, but the human connections they forged and the ancient wisdom they'd acquired. These experiences transformed them into more compassionate and enlightened individuals, leaving an everlasting impact on their souls. Chapter 6: Exploring Uncharted Territories, Adapting to Extreme Climates, Enduring Polar Ice and Tropical Heat. Ethan and Eleanor's voyage took them through a gauntlet of extreme climates, from the frigid embrace of the polar ice caps to the sweltering heat of tropical latitudes. In the icy realms of the Arctic, they encountered a frozen world of ethereal beauty. The sun hung low on the horizon, casting an ethereal glow on the vast expanse of ice and snow. The air was crisp and cold, biting at their skin and demanding constant vigilance against frostbite. Navigating through treacherous ice floes and dodging growling icebergs required expert seamanship and unwavering concentration. The constant creaking and groaning of the ship under the immense pressure of the ice created an eerie symphony, a haunting reminder of the unforgiving nature of their surroundings. Yet, amidst the harshness, they discovered a fragile ecosystem teeming with life. Polar bears and seals glided effortlessly through the icy waters, their sleek bodies perfectly adapted to this unforgiving environment. Puffins and guillemots danced in the air, their calls echoing across the desolate landscape. As they ventured further south, the climate shifted dramatically. The sun blazed overhead, and the air became thick with humidity. The relentless heat sapped their energy and demanded frequent breaks to escape the oppressive conditions. They sought refuge in secluded coves, where they could anchor Regina Maris and cool off in the crystal-clear waters. The vibrant coral reefs teemed with colorful marine life, a kaleidoscope of hues that contrasted starkly with the azure depths. The tropical nights were alive with the sounds of insects and amphibians, creating a cacophony that lulled them to sleep under the starlit sky. The gentle rhythm of the waves against the hull of the ship provided a soothing backdrop to their dreams. Through it all, Ethan and Eleanor learned to adapt to the extremes of both polar and tropical climates. They embraced the challenges and discovered a profound appreciation for the resilience of life in even the most inhospitable environments. Chapter 6. Exploring Uncharted Territories, documenting uncharted territories, contributing to cartographic knowledge. As Ethan and Eleanor ventured into uncharted waters, they recognized the significance of their journey not only for personal fulfillment, but also for the advancement of cartographic knowledge. They understood that their exploration of unknown lands and seas could contribute to a greater understanding of the world's geography and aid future navigators. With meticulous precision, they recorded their findings, carefully charting the coastlines, islands, and reefs they encountered. They measured depths, noted landmarks, and documented the prevailing winds and currents. Their observations, meticulously recorded in their ship's log, provided invaluable data for the creation of more accurate and comprehensive maps. Their contributions extended beyond traditional cartography. They documented the flora and fauna of the regions they visited, noting unique species and ecosystems. They observed and recorded the behavior of marine life, gaining insights into the delicate balance of the ocean's inhabitants. Ethan and Eleanor's commitment to documenting their journey also manifested in the creation of detailed sketches and paintings. These visual representations captured the essence of the landscapes and seascapes they encountered, preserving the beauty and wonder of these uncharted territories for posterity. In addition to their own observations, they sought knowledge from the indigenous peoples they encountered along their journey. They listened to the stories and legends passed down through generations, learning about traditional navigation techniques and the significance of certain landmarks. By incorporating this indigenous knowledge into their own cartographic work, they created a more comprehensive and culturally sensitive representation of the world. The legacy of Ethan and Eleanor's contributions to cartographic knowledge continues to inspire and guide modern-day explorers. Their meticulously documented findings have been incorporated into modern maps and charts, helping to ensure safer and more efficient navigation for seafarers around the world. Their work stands as a testament to the enduring value of exploration and the importance of preserving and sharing knowledge for the benefit of future generations. This video was created from an ebook on sale at www.pagebook24.com using a self-developed program by Pasquale DeMarco. Download the ebook now.